Citrus trees are more than just sources of delicious fruit. Their leaves hold the key to identifying and caring for these valuable plants. The citrus tree leaves identification chart is a powerful tool that can help you accurately determine the type of citrus tree based on its leaves characteristics. Citrus tree leaves are typically evergreen with a glossy appearance. They're usually dark green, elliptical or ovate in shape, with a pointed tip and serrated edge. Mature leaves can range from 2 to 6 inches in length and are arranged alternately along the stem. When crushed, these leaves release a distinct aroma. However, leaf shape and size can vary depending on the citrus variety. Common shapes include elliptical, ovate, lanceolate, and oblong. Leaf size can range from small and narrow to large and broad. Even within the same tree, younger leaves tend to be smaller and rounder compared to older ones. Leaf color and texture are crucial for identification and assessing tree health. While most citrus leaves are dark green, shades can vary from light green to almost bronze. Texture can be smooth and glossy or slightly rough. Changes in color or texture may indicate nutrient deficiencies, diseases, or environmental stress. When identifying citrus trees, pay attention to key leaf features. Leaf shapes can be ovate, lanceolate, elliptical, or oblong. Margins may be smooth, serrated, lobed, or entire. Vein patterns can be pinnate, resembling a feather, or palmate, radiating from a central point. Different citrus varieties have distinct leaf characteristics. Lemon tree leaves are elliptical with bright green color and a fragrant aroma when crushed. Lime tree leaves are oval with pointed tips, dark green, and have a citrus scent. Sweet orange leaves are glossy and ovate with smooth edges, while grapefruit leaves are thick, leathery, and lanceolate with sawtooth edges. Pomelo leaves are large and oblong, whereas kumquat leaves are small and elliptical with serrated edges. Understanding these differences can help you identify potential problems. For example, yellowing leaves on a lemon tree may indicate overwatering or stress. It's also important to be aware of pests, like the Asian citrus psyllid, which can transmit a dangerous bacterial disease called citrus greening. By mastering the art of citrus leaf identification, you'll be better equipped to care for your trees, address issues promptly, and ensure their health and vitality. Remember, the leaves of your citrus trees are not just part of their beauty. They're a valuable source of information about the tree's well-being. Use this knowledge to become a more effective citrus tree caretaker and enjoy the fruits of your labor for years to come.